Very good afternoon, good morning and good evening to everyone from all across the India and all parts of the world. It gives me an immense pleasure to give you some updates on the upcoming Delhi Machine Tool Show that is taking place in August 24 to 27 at Pragati Maidan. As you all know that the manufacturing sector in India is on an upswing and the manufacturing purchasing index has gone up more than 50 point marks for the consistent almost for 30 months, and there's a very strong upturn in the domestic consumption and demand, which is being reflective in our upcoming Delhi Machine Tool Show, which is looking absolutely full with the leading companies displaying the machining centers, IoT, smart manufacturing, 3D printing, and right from metalworking on metal forming and metal cutting technologies. So you will see all the big brands at Delhi Machine Tool Show, and it's one of the fantastic opportunities taking place in Pragati Maidan, brought to you by Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. I certainly do welcome you all to look at the upcoming Delhi Machine Tool Show updates, and whosoever has not yet signed up, please do take this opportunity to sign up, as we have got very little space. Will be taking place in Pragati Maidan in New Delhi from 24 to 27th of August.